The Yeti Conspiracy: Research Secrets of the Himalayas. For centuries, the Himalayas have been home to stories of the Yeti, a large, ape-like creature living in the snow-covered mountains. While many dismiss it as folklore, research and eyewitness accounts suggest there may be more to the story. Could the existence of the Yeti be a reality that science and governments are quietly suppressing? Let's examine the evidence and separate fact from fiction. Historical evidence. Local Himalayan communities in Nepal and Tibet have passed down Yeti legends for generations. In Sherpa culture, the Yeti is considered a protector spirit of the mountains. The first Western reports date back to 1832, when a British explorer recorded seeing a large bipedal creature in northern Nepal. In 1951, Eric Shipton, a British mountaineer, captured photographs of giant footprints near Mount Everest. These photos sparked global interest, yet scientists quickly labeled them unexplained anomalies. Modern scientific research. In 2013, Oxford University conducted a DNA study on supposed Yeti hair samples. The results linked them to an ancient species of bear. But many critics argue that the samples were too limited and the results might have been oversimplified to shut down further debate. In 2017, the Indian Army publicly tweeted about discovering Yeti footprints near Makalu Base Camp measuring 32 by 15 inches. Strangely, this report disappeared from headlines soon after. With no detailed follow-up research shared, the conspiracy angle. Some researchers believe the Yeti could be a surviving hominid like Gigantopithecus, a massive ape species believed extinct for 100,000 years. If true, this would rewrite human evolution. Could governments be suppressing this to avoid scientific and religious controversy? Others claim expeditions that reported Yeti evidence were pressured into silence, suggesting that higher authorities might want to keep the truth hidden. In Tibetan Buddhist texts, Yetis are sometimes described as spiritual beings rather than animals, raising the possibility that we are dealing with something beyond science. Conclusion. The evidence for the Yeti remains inconclusive, but patterns suggest that every time strong claims surface, they are quickly dismissed, buried, or explained away. Is the Yeti just a myth, or is the world being denied one of the biggest discoveries in history? The mystery of the Himalayas remains unsolved, but one thing is certain: the legend of the Yeti will continue to captivate our imaginations for generations to come. Like, share, and subscribe for more interesting videos.